Hey everyone on YouTube, this is the second time I have to upload this video. I wanted to upload this video again to show you that in the storms of our lives, there are two aspects to any storm, the destruction part and the beauty part. Even though there were many people, 40,000, without electricity and 6,000 now, 2 weeks later, that storm brought opportunity to an area that had tough economic times, as we all are. So I hope you enjoy these winter poems from my early times to 2005, 6, 7, and this year. And remember to stay creative in the magic of life. Thank you for watching. Black ice. Quiet. Passive. Danger. Lay waiting, waiting, waiting. The unknown thought, traveling, unaware of itself, knows it's good. Contemplation. The air gets colder. A crystal blanket covers the ground. Sleep spreads over the land of nature. The leaves are dead. I think about the year, to wonder about life. Did I do right? Oh, how precious the school. Where do I go from here? The first star of the night looks upon me. You know where. Look within. The cold wind of the soul. What is it? Fear? Sleep beckons me. Nature sleeps the sleep of change. Depression creeps upon me. What have I accomplished? Words lay upon my desk like the leaves in autumn. I await my winter, my sleep of change. Recharge my dharma. Look deep within. Look deep within. Within. How do I look? Who is me? Come, my winter, I embrace you. Words of vision lets me see, in verse and rhyme, the true me. I had not known of my travel down that dirt road that lays deep within. Oh, what we do and not know, till at once the cobwebs clear, and see what I'm looking for. Kingdom of Shadows. The eclipse moving across the skies, the light hidden, not gone, ruled by illusion, unaware what they do, emotions fog, mental fog, the light hidden, not gone, unaware for those for whom they wait, who carry the light needed to illuminate the kingdom of shadows. Governments, businesses, churches, trapped in their illusions, their self-made illusions of the body, emotions, and mind. Within the smaller self they live, unaware, waiting for those for whom they wait, who carry the light needed to illuminate the kingdom of shadows. The eclipse moving across the skies, the light within, hidden, not gone, waits for that one who knows within of the light needed to illuminate the kingdom of shadows. Whisper of Winter. Fahrenheit 22, full moon on a clear night, shines through bare trees onto the frozen brook. Glimpses of another world, surrounded by nature spirits. He who walks in dreams goes to those who thirst. In the landscape of winter, the time of wisdom comes to those who wait for the water's release. A fog enters in, the moon shines onto the scene, and the knowledge begins. Soltice Eve. In the dark depths of human psyche is found creation's key, the light of the one Spirit. That time of year celebrations cheer for that divine truth, the light of the one Spirit. The Christmas tree, the Yule log, the birth of Jesus, the light of the one Spirit. The longest night, the Christmas lights, all symbols of the light of the one Spirit. So on this longest night, in your warm home, meditate on the light of the one Spirit that flows through all life. The shadow and soul. Emotions to mind, mind to soul, the light we hide in chaos's cycle. We cannot find what makes us whole, and that which binds is as dark as oil. We seek a guide and pay life's toll, and in kind, the doorway into soul. In life's maze we find the path to make us whole. In the daily grind we can find soul. The shadow covers soul, the light we find makes us whole. In life's daily grind, the shadow and soul.